Hey, gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. I am Taja, Bedroom Kandi consultant. My ID number is 12131, and we're all about embracing pleasure and living our best lives with Bedroom Kandi. So today, I want to show you 3 things in our catalog that will help you elevate your romance game and set the mood. Now, I don't know about you, but I love setting the mood with our heavenly massage oil candles. Because, baby, there is nothing like a sensual massage to melt away the stress and get those sparks flying. I would light my candle and allow it to melt in the most silky, sultry goodness. This has a lavender scent, and you know lavender is perfect for setting a relaxing tone, especially after a long day of adulting. And even if you're flying solo, you can pair this massage oil candle with our intense one style massager called Mic Drop. If you want to know more about Mic Drop, and I know you do, you're going to have to book a party with me, okay? While the candle is over there doing its thing, melting into that silky sultry that I was just talking about, I like to grab my Seduce Me body mist and give myself a flirty spritz. Ooh. And this enhances a sex appeal like no other. The body mist is infused with pheromones to enhance natural attraction. In case you don't know, pheromones are chemical signals that makes you more aware of your attraction to that special someone by their scent. This also comes in a body wash and body lotion form, so I highly recommend that you get the whole collection. The night is now set off to a fire start, and you know it's all thanks to our secret weapon, the Seduce Me collection. Let's admit, we're visual creatures and attraction happens at first sight. But did you know that certain colors influences attraction? My last suggestion for today's video is to add Kandi Koated lipstick to set the mood. If you want your lover's heart to race at the glance of seeing you, you're going to want to wear red. But if you want to draw them in, feeling that femininity and love, I suggest you grab yourself our Go Wild lipstick. This deep, intense pink lippy with red undertones that I am wearing right now will definitely build anticipation for the night. I could go on and on about the perfect items that I would suggest to set the mood, and we will be here all night with me talking and giving you all the suggestions, okay? But if you want more suggestions, drop your requests down in the comments and I'll make a new video for you. However, and there's always a however and a but somewhere, right? It would be so much better if I could show you these items in a party. So if you're all about the party scene, comment party to book a memorable Bedroom Kandi experience with me. I understand you just may be in a hurry and need to upgrade your bedroom game and get your date night purchase ASAP. And I got you, boo. Click those links in the description box and get your hands on all of the Bedroom Kandi products that I featured in today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay sexy. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you so much. Please remember to like and subscribe and share this video with someone that you love. If anything resonated with you, find all the juicy details in the description box below.